Oh, hey there. Tyler, the intern here. Just fishing for some deals. You know, Pursuit Camp is right around the corner.
Tyler! What are you doing? Why are you so calm? Pursuit Camp is coming. It's right around the corner.
You'll scare away the deals.
But there's just so much to be excited about. The penguin slide and the rallies and the games, Tyler, the games.
Hey, if you're so excited about it, you can register, all right? Before December 13th, $99.
$99?
$99.
What a steal.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go do that right now.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Tyler.
Oh.
I got the deal. Tyler, I got it. My shoes, Tyler.